Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Tahoe LT. This vehicle only has 3,501 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. All Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $6,500 in savings on this specific vehicle. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle with a 5.3-liter V8 engine. It does have your back tinted windows and 18 by 8.5 inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, our all-weather mats, black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.